Hello, Ben, enchanting moon. Welcome to my channel. Had a witchy unboxing for you. This is from Sugar Muses. So it's the Midnight Muses Deluxe for July. Let's get into it. Okay, so our theme for July is Moonlight and Magic. Moonlight and Magic. Oh my gosh, I see heck of tag. Super excited. And then every month she changes everything to match her theme. So I will start with this beautiful artwork, Triple Moon. Get a good look at that. And we have another one, Labradorite, Great Stone of the Moon. We have a black Midnight Muses envelope with our Oracle or Tarot. And this is, looks like moon phases. And mine says Blue Moon, number 43, The Unexpected. So I'm not sure what deck this is from, but we will find out for sure. Let me read. And we have black and gold stars. And everything always seems to have its place when you open the box. It looks absolutely beautiful. Okay. Oh goodness, I don't know where to start. Everything's so beautifully placed in here. Okay, so right on top we have full moon, honeysuckle, and jasmine incense sticks in this cute little container. Cute little pillow, they call these. Then we have full moon herb blend. Nice size bag, herbal blend. And then we also have another bag here of yerba. Another big bag of herb. Very nice. Everything has a beautiful spot. I hate to touch it. Okay. Triple Moon soy candle in the black pretty tin. And this is the label. Pretty blue with herbs all on top. And the warning is always on the bottom. This side has a full moon spell. She always includes spells, which I always love too. All right, and then we have, everything's like a perfect spot. I hate to pull it out. But right on top, we have this beautiful black and gold and white. It's got flowers on it. And on the bottom, it has a beautiful triple moon charm. Really beautiful. I don't know what she calls that. Could be witch's ladder, could be anything. And then over here, you see, and this pretty black sachet with black dots. It has a moon phase, looks like a little notebook in here. Cute little travel notebook with the moon phases. I love this bag, that's so cute. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Black bag tied with a perfect bow. We have a lavender, looks like a worry stone. Sorry. She ties it in a perfect bow, so it takes a few minutes to get it open. But once we do, yes, pretty labradorite worry stone. What else we got in here? Oh, I've seen something beautiful. Her boxes just make me so happy. They really do. Each month they're so beautiful. We have a beautiful bottle here filled with salt. Pretty bottle and pretty bottle of salt. And then we have another bubble here. I think this is probably the ritual or perfume oil. And this one says Triple Moon with the pretty logo of the Triple Moon here, goddess. And there's a big item in here on the bottom. Ooh. Wooden box, moon face here. And then moon face on the other side. And then I see a triple moon here, which just seems to come out. And then we have this beautiful lip here that you can put cards, I think. Yeah. Holds things. And then we have this beautiful triple moon. So I don't know how it goes. I don't know if it goes like this or if these are two separate items. But these are absolutely amazing. And that should be it because that's the big item. Okay. Wow. All right. Bad dog's going to start barking. Let's see what she's got. You can see the triple moon here. Triple moon, triple goddess. Which is usually Hecate. Okay. So, full moon magic. July's full moon is at name of the thunder moon. It also has other names, like all the full moons. Sometimes it's referred to as the hay moon, the rose moon, lightning moon. It will occur on July 21st at 6:17 a.m. One of my favorite full moons, combining the energy of the full moon with the energy of summer nights, often summer storms. This month we'll be working with water magic and other boxes, and this ties in with lunar magic. The moon has a vibrational pull which affects the tides within the ocean's earth. This is why the moon has such a strong connection with the water element. The water is the element that holds our memories, emotions, hopes, and dreams. The moon's vibrational pull affects the waters on Earth, but also affects the waters in our bodies and the tides in our emotions, which constantly ebb and flow. Traditionally, when working with lunar magic, energy builds up gradually with the waning of the moon and seeing fruition with the full moon. But magic can happen in any moment. But by harnessing the full moon's powerful influence, rely on your intuition to see the path will lead you to manifesting your spells goals this month. The items in this box can be used in any way they are listed or the way you choose to use them. And then we have the second page, where she lists the items that she has and the items. Okay. So she starts off with the full moon incense cones. You can burn these, of course, at the beginning of ritual spells and meditation work. Full moon or mother moon magic invokes creativity, manifestation, and fertility. This is time for spells that relate to finishing off projects, protection, strength, also abundance, power, lunar magic, goddess magic, and drawing down the full moon. And again, these are honeysuckle and jasmine and orris. Then she has ritual salt in a bottle. It's been hand blended with dried herbs, botanicals associated with lunar magic and correspondence with cleansing and manifestation. It contains Epsom salt, sea salt, dried botanicals of vervain, lemon balm, and rose petals. Triple moon perfume oil. Shake before using. Anoint your pulse points or your tools. Can anoint your body as well as magic tool. Ritual oils, perfumes are alcohol free. The carrier base is scent free organic almond oil. And it is, here it is. This month's oil blend is a scent of moonflower, jasmine, lily, and sandalwood. The full moon herbal blend contains motherwort, bilberry leaf, and vervain. This draws energies of strength, longevity, and protection, prosperity, and luck, and promoting protection, sleep, and healing. Then we have the yerba mate. Promote self-love and empowerment, and also increase creativity, insight, clarity, and heightened consciousness. The triple moon soy candle has been hand-poured organic soy candle infused with dried lemon leaf with notes of moonflower, honeysuckle, and sandalwood. Then she has the tumbled labradorite, but this is really a nice, either called mini palm stone or worry stone. It's perfectly flat and perfect to carry. Its ability to create protective shield around the aura, repelling negative energies and unwanted influencing. Strong grounding properties to help prevent energy leakages, promoting balance and harmonious states. Also, labradorite is a mystical stone that gets a brilliant flash from its reflected light, similar to how the full moon is illuminated by reflective light from the sun. Also, intuitive dreams, lucid dreaming, and promotes insight. Beautiful labradorite stone. Handmade ritual cord. And this is really, really pretty. And the colors and everything is really pretty. Traditional witches have used ritual cords in their spell work and ceremonies, a way to focus their energy and intentions. By weaving together different colored cords and charms, we can create a powerful tool for manifestation and protection. This cord was created with the intent and can be used during ritual and spell work when working with lunar energies, and can be hung in your sacred space. Like I said, this is really very pretty. Handmade notepad/pen. I didn't even notice in the bag it was a cute little pen to go with the notebook. How cute is that? With our little moon notebook. At full moon is a time to pay attention to your dreams and sit in deep meditation, especially when there's time you may be stuck or struggling on what is preventing you from moving forward. The energy of the full moon is very supportive for helping us look deep within and uncover the answers that are already in us. Very cool. Okay. Triple moon altar tray. Full moon energy. It's a powerful energy and a chance to charge and cleanse the tools you work with. Placing these objects under the full moon can help them absorb this activation energy. Place the crystals and small tools on your tray and set them outside under the full moon. The tray can also be used as a focus point on your altar. Place the candle or crystal spheres, if you have any, in the center of the tray. Add herbs and gemstones to correlate to the spell that you are currently manifesting. I mean, this is beautiful. I guess that goes like this, but it's absolutely stunning. I love it. And then, intuitively, a triple, the full moon spell. I don't see this in here. Okay. You will need your triple moon oil, your full moon incense, cones, heat proof, your full moon herbal blend, laboratory gemstone, your moon notepad, and pen. So everything's included, obviously, for this, except for if you don't have an incense cone holder, you can get them at your local witchery store or metaphysical store. But I'm sure she's already given one many times. In the past, she's given us beautiful incense holders. All right, and this card is from the Queen of the Moon Oracle. Queen of the Moon Oracle. And then our beautiful artwork. Another gorgeous box by Sugar Muses, and this is the Midnight Muses Deluxe for July. I'll leave the information about this box in the description below. And thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed day.